Transform your medical booth design for maximum impact. Imagine stepping into a bustling trade show filled with opportunities and potential clients. Your booth design is key to capturing their attention immediately. With over 20 years of expertise, Adam Expo Stand specializes in creating custom booths that catch the eye at global exhibitions. Our professional team understands the unique needs of medical exhibitors, ensuring your booth impresses in a competitive landscape. We focus on combining aesthetics with functionality, ensuring your booth not only attracts, but also engages visitors effectively. Our solution-driven approach means we tailor each booth to align with your brand's identity and exhibition goals. From concept to execution, we handle every detail, allowing you to focus on connecting with potential clients and partners. Lighting, signage, and strategic layout are crucial in medical booth design, and we masterfully integrate these elements. Trust in Adam Expo Stand to not only meet, but exceed your trade show expectations, driving success for your business. Let's work together to transform your vision into a reality, ensuring your medical booth becomes the center of the event.